RevExpo.com. Empowering, enhancing, informing.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel RevExpo. In this video I am going to discuss about best solar inverters in India. Before purchasing a solar inverter, these are the factors which you need to look into. Luminos Solar NXG Hybrid Inverter. It allows running up to 20 lights, a television and a fridge. Nearly 1000 watt PV module compatible with solar panel. This product has 2 years warranty. This product is available on Amazon as well as on Flipkart and rated 3.2 on Amazon, 3.8 on Flipkart. Microtex UPS Inverter. It comes with a 12 VDC battery system and electric bypass switch provided in case of any UPS failure. And this product has 2 years warranty. This product is available on Amazon as well as on Flipkart and rated 3.6 on Amazon, 4.3 on Flipkart. Accha Solar Inverter. It has solar charge controller of 40 amps with LCD. There is a fan to ensure the best condition and optimum temperature for the inverter. And this product has 2 years warranty. This product is available on Amazon as well as on Flipkart and rated 3.6 on Amazon, 3.2 on Flipkart. Flynn Energy Light Solar Hybrid Inverter. It has an automatic switch from battery power to grid power. It is very light in nature and this product has 2 years warranty. This product is available on Amazon as well as on Flipkart and rated 5 on Amazon. Micromax Solar Home Inverter. It has dual power source which is highly durability and efficient of 98%, which is very convenient. This product is available on Amazon as well as on Flipkart and there were no ratings on the site. Havel Solar Home Inverter. It comes with an LED indicator and also automatic temperature compensation so that you get longer life battery. This product is available on Amazon as well as on Flipkart and there were no ratings on the sites. Digilock UPS to Solar PC Inverter. This inverter comes with an inbuilt solar charger and ingenious battery management. This product is available on Amazon as well as on Flipkart and there were no ratings. Sukham Solar Inverter. The system offers easy maintenance and installation and it reduces electricity bills by 20 to 30%. This product is available on Amazon as well as on Flipkart and rated 3.6 on Amazon. Kerloska Solar Inverter. It reduces your electricity bills and it also has a LCD display. It comes with protection from over temperature. This product is available on Amazon as well as on Flipkart and there were no ratings on the sites. I hope our video is helpful to purchase the best solar inverter. For more interesting updates, please subscribe to our channel. To know more about the product, please visit our website. Our website link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.